Thank you for clicking the link, coming to my channel. Here I provide you with up-to-date, to-the-point data and tips so you can make informed decisions to reach your real estate goals. Please click like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you see value. So recent videos, there's 5 on the left side, 5 home selling secrets from Realtor.com, and the top right, prices dropping in 2022 due to the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Question. So the topic of today is rates drop. Rates are dropping due to the Ukraine-Russia conflict. So Chief Economist Freddie Mac Sam Kidder says geopolitical tensions cause U.S. Treasury yields to recede this week as investors move to safety bonds, leading to a drop in mortgage rates. While inflationary pressures remain, the cascading impacts of war in Ukraine have created market uncertainty. Consequently, rates are expected to stay low in the short term, but likely increase in the coming months. That summarizes this whole video and all the other experts, so-called, that make predictions and track data. And so the rates are at 3.76 and they've come down, okay? Likely to increase. So previously I shared that the 10-year Treasury and the 30-year fixed mortgage rate run side by side over the last 50 years. And so previously I shared how the 10-year Treasury came down. It had been climbing up in December through the end of February, as had the rates been climbing up. And the 10-year Treasury came down at the end of February, March, and now the rates have come down. Here's the tracking of the rates over a couple years. If we look at December's over here, the rates were at 3.1. So if you're on a $750,000 mortgage balance, that's a payment of $3207. In January's right here, the rates went to 3.56. So that payment would have jumped up to $3,393. In February, the rates are at 4. That payment would be $3,581. And then now in March, the rates have dipped down at 3.76. So First American, Chief Economist Odessa Kushi, the 10-year Treasury yield is down, likely in response to the worsening Russia-Ukraine conflict, and mortgage rates may follow suit. The question is, how far down are they going to go? Realtor.com, Chief Manager of Economic Research, George Ratu, with a slight retreat in interest rates this week, we saw an advance in housing activity as buyers sought to find the right home. National Association of Realtors, Senior Chief Economist, Director of Forecasting, Nadu Evangelou. Following the trend of the 10-year Treasury yield, the mortgage rates will likely fall, remaining below 3.9% this week. However, expect mortgage rates to rise later as the month, as the Fed will raise interest rates. And so the NerdWallet says, Holden Lewis, home and mortgage specialist. Mortgage rates fell this week as investors sought safety by buying mortgage bonds. This decline in rates is temporary because the Federal Reserve will start its rate-raising campaign in earnest in the middle of the month. So if we look at the rates right now at 3.76 compared to previous decades, it's less than previous decades. So that's an indicator that the rates are going to go up in the long term. Are they going to continue to go down or go up? We'll see. So for buyers, the lower rates means you have a lower payment, means you can qualify for more. When you do make that offer, if you're about to make an offer on a property, your rate's going to be lower than what it was last month. So just keep that in mind. Sellers, if there's lower rates, there's more buyers. They can qualify for higher amounts. They have less payments. They can qualify for more. So more buyers, hopefully more offers, hopefully a bidding war. Hopefully you get a good price for your property. You will right now for sure. Anyway, so rates have dropped. Will they continue? Here's a question for you. Do you think they're going to continue to drop? Are they going to go up? What's your opinion? I showed you the experts also they're going to go up. What do you think? Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please click like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you saw any value. If you have any real estate questions, contact me, no obligation. Have a great day.